When Mercedes-Benz launched the new Actros, it introduced mirror cam. So instead of conventional mirrors, it's got 2 cameras mounted high on the roof and 2 screens on the A-pillars. Now these have created a lot of positive headlines. And why wouldn't they? 1.3% better fuel economy. Trailer panning, so the back of the trailer always remains in the centre of the screen. And also considerably smaller blind spots than conventional mirrors. But we have had some negative feedback, mainly from drivers who haven't actually set foot in one yet. So I'm going to put some of these questions and concerns to James Collins from Mercedes-Benz. So, James, as an option, it costs too much.
Okay, so mirror cam is now standard on our MP5 Actros and Arocs vehicles. If you were to take a delete on mirror cam, it would bring you a credit of circa £800. So for the amount of information and technology that you do get by taking mirror cam, it doesn't really save that much money. It's not too expensive.
It will get knocked off too easily.
It's quite hard to get it knocked off, to be fair, because the mirror cam itself will bend in 65 degrees and it will bend forwards 35 degrees, making it less likely that it's going to get caught up and knocked off. In the event that it does get knocked off, all of our Service 24 vehicles, our S24 vehicle vans, carry an emergency get you home mirror, which clips on the top of the door itself, and then it uses the original fixings that are underneath the plastic shroud to fix a manual mirror, a conventional mirror back on. That allows the guy to get back to a workshop for a full repair. It can actually be repaired at roadside as well. As long as the guy has access to a 3G network, he can use a laptop with which to configure and tune the mirror head when it's mounted.
Well, here's another one. It won't work in the dark.
It does work in the dark. It will give you the same type of image as you'd normally see through a CCTV security type camera. Not an infrared image, but it will give you a black and white conventional image at night.
Would it work if I wear glasses?
It will definitely work if you wear glasses. The focus that you see on the mirror in the cab is essentially the same focus that you would see on the gauges right in front of you.
It's going to get dirty far too easily.
It doesn't really get dirty too easily. The shroud around the mirror cam, the aerodynamics around that provide for keeping the film and the road dirt away from that and the moisture. It's also much higher up, so it's less likely to pick up road film and traffic.
Thank you, James. I think you've just expelled a few myths there.
Mirror cam isn't yet available on Mercedes' smaller trucks, but that doesn't mean to say they aren't without their own innovations. This is the FUSO eCanter. Let's go and find out a bit about it. Joe, tell us about FUSO and the eCanter.
So FUSO is Daimler's light-duty brand of trucks, sold and supported through Mercedes-Benz Trucks network here in the UK. Our range starts at 3.5 tonne, including the 7.5 tonne, up into the 8.55 tonne, including a 4x4 version and also a hybrid vehicle.
What are the all-important vital statistics of the eCanter then?
It has a range of 100 km, a body and payload allowance of 4 to 90 kg, so we continue to improve air quality in urban environments for our customers.
So is the eCanter available now?
We have 10 vehicles currently running in the country, 1 in Manchester and 9 in London, and they've accumulated 120,000 km, which is equivalent to 3 times around the world in purely electric vehicles. And we're delighted to say that we've been commissioned another batch of eCanters to support customers in the UK for all electric deliveries.
And what's next for FUSO?
Well, Daimler Trucks have made a commitment to the goals of the Paris Climate Agreement and decarbonising the industry. Truly CO2 neutral transport only works with battery, electric and hydrogen-based drivetrains. And with that in mind, we've unveiled the FUSO Vision F-Cell concept with a range of up to 300 km. And in keeping in today's theme of sustainability, we've also committed to making all our European truck plants CO2 neutral by 2022.